Are you looking to get more views on your YouTube videos with custom thumbnails? And what are some of the best practices and things to look out for when creating them? Today we find out. Hey everyone, Derek here at Bitulent. YouTube thumbnails are the book covers for your videos and can be crucial in grabbing a viewer's attention to your video over another one with similar content. Today, we'll go over the current best practices when creating a custom thumbnail for a video, as well as review the top gotchas you need to be aware of when you create your own thumbnails. Let's do this. Our decision on whether or not to watch a video often depends on the thumbnail. An eye-catching image can draw us in, while a boring and blurry thumbnail can easily move us on. Thus, creating better thumbnails, and especially not using the thumbnails that YouTube creates for you, are important to help you get more views and to stand out in search lists. Now, let's discuss the best practices you need to use in your thumbnails to attract viewers. Number 1, get the thumbnail size right. The requirements for a YouTube thumbnail as of fall 2020 are as follows. 1280 by 720 pixels with a minimum width of 640 pixels, an upload image format in JPEG, GIF, or PNG, with a maximum file size of 2 megabytes, and a recommendation of using a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, since that is what is mostly used in YouTube and previews. Number 2, KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. There is a reason thumbnails are small, and remember that they are really small on mobile devices. Keep the thumbnail simple and concise by avoiding too much text or by making your text too small that someone can't read it. Avoid putting your entire title of the video in it since it already displays next to your thumbnail. Choose some key words from your title or the video content that expresses the experience the viewer can expect from watching the video. For the image, a still image from the video is a good choice to give some visual context to it, something that gives a preview of what to expect in your video. You can also include a logo or another image to help describe the video. Be sure not to make it overly complex or busy. You should be able to glance at the thumbnail and in a second have an idea what the video is about. Number 3, use colors that contrast with each other. Light text or images on top of a light background image or dark on dark will significantly take away from the effectiveness of your video. Thumbnails are small, so you need them to be clear and easy to understand, or your video may be skipped. Number 4, add your logo or a video icon. This is a good way to build your brand and help viewers instantly identify a video of yours in a search list. Be sure they aren't too large and certainly not too small that it can't be seen, and try to be consistent in its location for each video. Number 5, be accurate with your thumbnail. No one likes clickbait, and using an image that doesn't accurately depict what is in your video will hurt you in the long run. Find the main points of your video and use that as the centerpiece of your thumbnail. Those are the top 5 best practices to follow when creating thumbnails. There are a few gotchas to also consider when you are creating thumbnails. First, be careful not to put anything relevant in the top right, middle right, or lower right edges of your thumbnail. This is where YouTube currently puts pop-up text for viewers to give information and certain details about your video. Second, be aware of the thumbnail policies so your thumbnail won't get rejected and you won't get a strike on your account. And finally, take some extra time when you create your thumbnail and re-review it 15 to 30 minutes after you feel like you have it where you want it to be. You will often find a few tweaks you can make to your thumbnail that make it even better after you rest your mind from it for a while. And now you are ready to go and create a thumbnail that is sure to catch many viewers' attention and help you feel great about your creation. Hey, I hope you enjoyed our video today, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to our channel so you will catch all our helpful, tippy, and tricky bits of info. Thanks, and we'll catch you later.